use will plus the bare infinitive, that's the infinitive without to make predictions. A prediction is a statement about what you think will happen in the future. What will mobile phones be like in 10 years' time? I think they'll be made of more environmentally friendly materials. Notice the contracted form there. Instead of they will, they'll. It is much more natural in spoken English to use contractions than full forms. What will the temperature be next week? Or you could use the contraction in the question and say, what'll the temperature be next week? I think it'll be around 14 degrees. Notice the contraction again. Instead of it will, we have it'll. Or with a glottalized T, which is very common in the UK, it'll be. Will aliens land on Earth within the next 50 years? I don't know. If I had to guess, I'd say no, they won't. Won't is the negative form. Will not. Contracted becomes won't. Aliens won't land on Earth within the next 50 years, in my opinion. Will English teachers be replaced by AI? What do you think? Tell me your thoughts in the comments, as well as any other predictions you might have.